Hi, grade 3 Emarati Syllabus. Today we will continue the rest of the unit. We will take today lesson 3 and lesson 4 and lesson 5 in unit 1. But before I will go to our lessons today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel to send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Last class we stopped on lesson 3 in your book, Bridge to Success, grade 3. Today I will resume from lesson 4 till lesson 6 because as we know that we have 19 lessons. So every session or every class I will give you three lessons to end from the unit, and then I make a revise on the unit. Okay, here is lesson 4. Find out more. Okay, book cover. Look at the book cover. This is the book cover. Okay, this is the cover of the book, the paper that is out of the book to know more about this book. Okay, here we say the book cover here. What is the topic of this book? It will be busy words. Okay, look at the book cover. Who is the author? The author, this one who writes the book. What is the author here? What's the name of the author? Jake Adler. Jake Adler is the author. What is the title? The title of the book or the topic of the book, it will be what? It will be here, busy boats. What is the book about? Without thinking, busy boats. So we talk about what? About boats. Okay, find another book in your classroom, answer the question again. So here we give you a question about this book. So in the classroom, we take a book and write the details about this book. Like what? Like the author, title, and what is the book is about. Okay, if we give a book about, for example, about adventures, okay, or about what, or about fish, or about animals, or about deserts, or about animals desert, all this can be seen in books. Okay, so let's go to another one here. Inside the book means inside book means the details that when I open the book I see it. Okay, look at the contents of the page. This is the contents of the page. Little boats, big boats, old boats, new boats. Okay, if you open the book you see this content. This content means the topics that we will explain in this book. Okay, the contents it will be here: little boats, big boats, little boats, big boats, old boats, and new boats. So the book is about talking about different kinds of boats. Okay, so look at the contents page in the beginning of the book. It tells you what is the book. The book has 4 chapters. So the book contains of 4 chapters. Here are the pictures from the book Busy Boats. In which chapter can you find each picture? Which picture will you look at? Here we say here is the pictures in the book. Can see the book and see and know which picture, in which chapter this picture. Okay, I can know this because I don't see the book, so I can't answer without seeing them. So we must open the book and see which picture in any chapter. Okay. Here we have, when we talk about or expressing an opinion, we have 3 ways to expressing opinions or talk about opinions. I agree, I don't agree, or I think. So we have also another meaning of not agree. It will be here disagree. Okay, this is another meaning of agree. Okay, we have here, we can write I disagree or I don't agree. Both are correct. We say agree, I agree, and I think. All these expressions, what expressions? Our opinion. The expression to used to express our opinion. Let's go to another one here. Talk about it. Why do some books have a contents page? Do you agree? So can you guess with me? I guess with you. The contents of book. What is the important of contents of book? The contents of book is important one because these contents help you to find pages you want to read. Okay, so this is the topic, or this is the task that we want from the contents. We want to know more about this book. So the content is important or not in the book? Yes. So the content is important. So the contents page helps us. The contents page helps us to find the pages you want to read. The content page tells you what is in this book. So if I have a content, I will say this, like this one, like in here, this is the content. I would like to know more about big boats. So I go to page 5 to know this. I want old boats. So I go page 8 to know about this. I want to know about little boats. So I go to page 2 to know more about this. So the content is important for us to know what about the book, or what I want from the topic, what the information that I needed. Yes, it's important for us. So the content is an important item in our book. Yes, important item, because without content we can't know anything about the book. Let's go to lesson 5 to know more about this. So here in this part we know two kinds of stories, or two kinds of stories: fiction and non-fiction. Okay, the fiction means the books who tells us not real. Fiction is not real. Fiction books have characters, not real. Can say so. For example, can imagine the dog as a person, for example. So it's not a real. Okay, so fiction means stories are not real. Fiction book have characters. Okay, characters are the people or animals in the story. So we can also use animals as personalize the animals as people. So here we make you to make your imagine or faction. So here we say characters of the characters of fiction are people or animals in the story. Look at the snowy day. This is the book about the story about the snowy day. Who are the characters here? So here I have here. I think this is the penguin, or I think this is the penguin. This is the polar bear and the rabbit. I think so. I think so. I don't know. I don't see it, but I imagine that if it is okay. I guess if it's the character of this book. The Snowy Day, who are the characters? Here we say some books are non-fiction, means have real information. Non-fiction, it means it's real. We can know, for example, books about planes. So we can say, when we talk about the Wright brothers, who invented the aeroplanes, okay. So can talk about this person, or talk about Newton, who discovered the gravity of the earth, for example. All these non-fiction, all these called real things, okay? But it comes from the fiction, like what? Like when Newton sitting on the tree and see the apple fall on them. By this way, he discovered what? Discovered the gravity law. I think so. Okay, I think they saw the gravity law, and I think also the Wright brothers, when we invent the airplanes, I think we have a story about the one who attacked or tried to fly. So after that, this invention come as the one who imagined, and then we invent something that we use it now and we know it. Okay, so here we say non-fiction. Non-fiction means real information. Okay, here we say, let's know every one of this boy and this girl, what they telling us about the fiction and non-fiction. Let's read and know more and know the opinion of the two persons here, more about fiction and non-fiction. Let's know together. My name is Rasha. So this girl called Rasha. I like learning new things. So Rasha want to like to learn new things. I like non-fiction. My father is pilot. Okay, my father is what? A pilot. Pilot means they can fly in the air by the airplane, and he want to and have a big imagine to know more about this world. Okay, my name is Mark. I like reading funny stories about animals. I don't like scary stories. Okay. A book about your classroom. You can make a book about the classroom. We say the title of welcome to our school. The subject could be our school. So we make a book about your school. Say our school, our class, our teacher, and our classroom. Okay. Today I stop here in lesson 5. Next class I will continue, but before I will go, I would like to now I would like to go to give you a brief about or know the words that related to this part. Okay, here we know some vocab. Let's learn it together. We know here author, contents, title, pages, fiction. Fiction. Here is this is the words related to here in this part. Let's know it together. We have here author, contents, title, pages, fiction, non-fiction, characters. All these words that know it here in this part. I would like to say something about the grammar that we will have here in this unit. In this unit, we talk about there is and there are, and we know there is with singular noun, there is singular form, and there are with a plural form. We talk about possessive pronouns, means something is possessive pronouns, that something is belongs to me. When we say, for example, there is the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. In the possessive adjective, we say, this is, for example, I say, this is my book. This is my book. When I talk about possessive adjective, this is my book. Okay, this is called possessive what? This possessive adjective. This is called possessive adjective. When I talk about possessive pronoun, I say what? This is mine. When I say this is mine, so this called what? This is called possessive pronoun. This is mine. This is the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay, and possessive pronoun. This is the difference between them. When I'm called about possessive adjective, so the pronoun must be followed by what? By the noun like this. But here the pronoun can't followed by anything. We say this is mine without any word after that. Okay, the pronoun without anything. Okay. In this also in this unit, we learn also about the adverbs of frequency that we use it in simple tense form, always, usually, sometimes, never. And as we know, the habit happen 100%. It will be take always, and the habits that happen in 100%, it will be always, and the habits that don't happen, or the habit that I can do it, it will be 0%. So the habit with action normally, so it will be here 100%. The never means the habit can't happen at all. It will be here 0%. This is the difference between always and never. We have here construction like this. When we say he has got, I can write he has got as it is, or can write it as it is. This is called construction. We say construction, or say abbreviation, means I put the apostrophe related to the verb like this. Okay, here we should say she has got, she has got, written like this. Okay. I will answer some questions, some comprehension questions with you. Then I end from the video today, because I don't want to make the video longer. Anna went shopping with her mom. She got shoes and her brother got a jacket. No one wanted socks. They were both happy to get a new bag. So here is the answer. I would like to say something. Grade 3, we must know it. When we answer the comprehension, we must read the comprehension clear and know what the question know from you. Why? Because some of you saying that comprehension is an easy question. Yes, an easy question, but we have beyond meaning. We must understand what we want from you. Okay, so we must read the comprehension carefully to answer the question correctly. Here is Anne's brother got a jacket and what here? Jacket, got jacket. And a Bag. Go. Here is a bag. Here is a say a bag. A new bag. Both have new bag. So here we have got a jacket and a bag. To be here bag. Okay. Let's go to another one. What is the title? The best title of this text? It will be go shopping and a jacket, new socks. It will be here go shopping. Okay. This is the question in this this comprehension. Let's go to another one here. I answered two only today, and then I continue the next video. My name is Muhammad. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Foraja. I think Foraja in Emarati. I think I think you know it. Okay, I don't know it because I'm not from Emarati. But the one who lives in Emarati can know this country. Okay, I'm from Foraja. I have got 4 sisters and 3 brothers. I like reading about sharks. I don't like scary stories. This is the same like we took it today, okay? I don't like scary stories because it makes me feel scared. My favorite colors are blue and black. Draw a line to finish the sentence. Muhammad here likes what? Muhammad likes what here? Likes reading about sharks. So the answer, it will be this one. They don't like here, don't like what? Don't like scary stories. He has got here, he has got what? He has got here, as we know here, got 4 sisters and how many brothers? 4 sisters and 3 brothers. Okay. Today I answer 2 questions only. Next class I will continue. I hope to benefit and enjoy from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.